I can't wait to tell you about the app I use to generate leads in my business. I know, having been in business for over a decade, that the most important thing in business is the amount of leads you're able to generate. It is the single most important metric to measure the health of a business, period. First of all, I gotta set the stage. Imagine you have a really, really fast race car. Now imagine that race car with no gas. How good is that race car if it doesn't have any fuel? Not good at all, right? And so the same thing is true of your business. If you don't have any leads, you don't have any fuel. How good is your business if it doesn't have a customer? Not good at all. So can you agree with me that lead generating is not only very important, but also really challenging sometimes? As a business coach, I see a common pattern with interior designers and the things that they're challenged with in lead generating. The first is they don't know what to say. The second one is they don't dedicate consistent time to doing it. The third one is they don't know how to find the people. And the fourth one is that they're a little bit nervous to approach people to reach out to for the first time. And the fifth one is they don't have a system for it. And when there's no system, it can feel like friction when you go to approach the task. What I hear really common that breaks my heart is when I hear an interior designer say, if I just knew what to do, I would do it. I just don't know what to do. And then they do nothing. That's really, really dangerous when your business relies and depends on fuel, just like the race car. Okay, all of that being said, here's why I'm excited to share this app with you. So this app that I'm bringing to you today is really great at systemizing lead generating. The way that it does that is it has frameworks within which to operate, which alleviates the nervous, I don't know what to say. The app has preloaded text that you copy and paste into a message. So with the problem of not spending enough time doing it, the app actually monitors your activity. So it's able to say hey, it's been 3 days since you've done effort in this area. And it's able to say, hey, there's a lead right now that's really active with communication with you. This is somebody to definitely follow up with right away. Thusly, alleviating also the pain of not having a system for things. The app systemizes everything and kind of supports you and nudges you and taps you on the shoulder to go do things. That way, you can't ever not be in action because you have the support of the app. All right, so how do I know all of this? I have grown my company from zero, literally started from scratch, and now over a decade later and doing $2 million in volume and having 20 projects in my office at one time, that kind of success doesn't come by way of me sitting back counting how many petals on a daisy. No, that comes by way of me being actively dedicated to lead generating. So what I discovered in my very long time of being in business and being dedicated to activities is there's a particular system and way and thought process and things to say that are really, really powerful and generate results, and things that don't. So the reason why I know this app is really great is I created it myself. I created it myself to be exactly what I wish I had in years ago in business and to incorporate all the things I've learned. And I have a team of sales experts supporting me in the infrastructure of it as well. So this app, when I tell you it's good, it is so good. The name of the app is Gotcha. So right now, go to this link and download the app. Inside this app, you will be following a time-tested formula that turns a prospect into a customer. It gives you what to say, how to say it, when to say it, and it tracks activity so that you will stay consistently dedicated to consistent action. It even has an email campaign that will go out on your behalf so that you can stay in consistent communication with prospects without you having to lift a finger. All of it is customizable so that you can infuse it with your own voice so it sounds really authentically from you. But really, you don't have to do any of the work. And the app is free. There is a paid VIP upgrade to the app that has some extra bells and whistles. But if you enter code YouTube, you can have a 30-day extended free trial to all those bells and whistles. You're welcome. And you know me, of course the app has a coaching button that you can press and automatically get access to a lot of coaching videos that will support you in business growth in many, many areas. It also has a digital business card, which effortlessly links you and somebody else to your contact information, your website, all your social channels, and it goes right directly into their phone. So all that information is already accessible to them. Hello, 21st century. All right, I don't know how you've heard all of that and you're not already downloading it. Go, 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 go. Go right now and download the app at the link you see right here. I know you're not only going to love it, but you're also going to see massive results when you're dedicated to taking action.